gonna do a little clip.
Excellent.
Film it a little bit. Never seen a dog going into the sea that much.
You know, it seems like what we watch, it seems like she waits for that moment and then just takes it at its word, you know, without being tossed around.
Yeah.
She's having a ball.
She doesn't mind it at all.
I'm not crazy.
That's right.
I think she wants to be a fish or something.
I think so. Our other one has started to go in a little bit.
Yeah. So how do you manage? Yesterday we saw you walking, but I don't know how you managed to take it out of it.
You know, eventually she did get tired and she started to come out, and then I managed to get her
Oh,
lead.
yeah.
Say hi?
But she looks this way once in a while, and then she keeps going.
She's just so funny, and she's just wanting to, at home, she just wants to please you all the time. She's so sweet. You know, I mean, she's smelly and she's big, and she's, right from the first day when I wake up, as soon as I move in the bed, she comes to the bed and brings the shoes that I was wearing the night before. She doesn't touch any of the other shoes. She's so
Yeah.
So we have to wait till school this
Oh, look at that, eh? She flips.
Yeah, she is. She makes a late start for the rest of the day, but it's still good. She does some exercise.
Yeah.
When do you have that
Tomorrow. Minus 30. Oh no, that's home, you know, work.
It's a beautiful city.
1 week is enough for us here, I think, for me anyway. You know, you enjoy, you relax, you change, and then you're ready to go back and, you know.
First time in Bucharest?
Puerto Vallarta, yes, first time.
Okay.
Yeah.
More authentic, you think?
This is more down to reality kind of thing. Whereas in Cancun is more, you know, you go out to town, you have a lot of blast and...
My writing partner moved to Cancun 6 months ago, and she said she feels so different than living here, that it feels like Miami. It feels like very wealthy, and it doesn't feel authentic Mexico.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. Yesterday we went to downtown Puerto Vallarta.
Oh, yeah.